Good morning, class. It's really good to be able to meet with you again, even though we're not able to meet in person. So today, we're going to start learning about weather patterns. And basically, we're going to do a project, and we're going to track some weather, and we're going to see how weather can change. This is our standard, and we're going to learn to compare daily and seasonal changes in weather conditions. So today, you're going to understand that weather patterns are different in different locations. And you will begin a 4-day project where we learn to track weather patterns. And we're also going to begin drafting a poster about our dream location. So I want you to pause the video right now, and I want you to think about some of the favorite places that you might want to travel one day. So go ahead and pause that and think about it. So today you're going to need a copy of the weather tracking chart, a dream destination planning sheet, a piece of construction paper, or just regular printer paper will do, and you'll need some art supplies because you're going to need to color your poster and make it look good. And your weather tracking chart and dream destination planning sheet can be found in the classroom folder. So the critical question that I want you to think about today and for the rest of this week is if you could go on your dream vacation tomorrow, where would you go and what would you pack and why? So I want you to pause the video again and I want you to think about this question. Maybe you can write it down if you have some spare paper around. So if you could go on your dream vacation tomorrow, where would you go and what would you pack and why would you pack that? So go ahead and pause the video and think about your answer. So we're going to go through now and we're going to look at some of the dream destinations that I think would be really cool to travel. If you choose to pick one of these for your project, that's awesome, but do know that you're not limited to these destinations. This is Tokyo, Japan. This is Juneau, Alaska. This is Sydney, Australia. This is Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. This is Jamaica. This is Egypt. This is Paris, France. So today, with our weather tracking, we're going to have to track several different things. So we're going to put our destination at the top. So that destination that you just thought about and what you would pack, you're going to put that destination at the top, whichever destination you chose. I chose Punta Cana. It's in the Dominican Republic, and it's a really nice place. So now we're going to go through, and today is day 1, and we're going to find the temperature, we're going to see what it feels like, we're going to see what it looks like, and we're going to see what the chance of precipitation for today is. And we're going to find all of this information from the Weather Channel, which you can find at www.weather.com. So today in Punta Cana, it is 80 degrees. That's really hot. But it feels like 86. I'm so glad that right now in North Carolina, it does not feel like 86. Today in Punta Cana, it's partly cloudy. So at least it's not too sunny. And the chance of precipitation is 20%. So now we're going to start the poster. On a piece of construction paper, I want you to show me the name of your location, the temperature, what it feels like, and what it looks like for each day. And then I want to see what you might pack. This is a sample of my poster. Like I said, I chose Punta Cana, and today, day 1, it's 80 degrees, feels like 88, and it's partly cloudy. I don't quite know what I'm going to pack yet because I don't know what the rest of the week will be, but I'm thinking if it's partly cloudy and it was like a 20% chance of rain, I might need to take an umbrella. But I'm not going to need pants because it's 80 degrees. So looking forward, what is due this week? So this Friday, you're going to have your weather tracking chart due. And then you're also going to have a poster project. So to make sure we're working on that this week and that we're turning it in this Friday. And I just want to let all of you know that I miss you so much. And please remember to Zoom me sometime so that I can just see how you're doing and so that I get to see your face. All right. Have a great week, y'all.